Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC we have a 2016 Dodge Journey, and we're going to go over how you would replace your battery inside your key fob. Say the battery has gone bad in your key fob and you need to replace it. If your key fob looks like this and you have a different model of Dodge vehicle, it will apply to the same. This one just happens to be a Journey. So to start with, you're going to need to push this little tab here, which releases your, say, emergency key to get into your car. So if the battery is dead, you'll use this key to unlock the door. And once you've done that, then we have access here to put a screwdriver to be able to twist and pop this cover open. You want to take this key ring off because it'll get in the way of you being able to separate it completely. And then with a screwdriver, you're going to twist it and get the case to pop open. And then when it pops open, you'll have your battery right here. And to replace that battery, we're also going to do the same of popping that out. And the battery that we need to replace on this one is a CR2032. So you would get a new CR2032 and be able to put it in, and you see you have the metal tab down here. So you're going to want to install it that way down with the side without the numbers on it goes to the back. Snap that into place, and then when that's done, then you can go ahead and snap your cover back together and be able to insert your emergency key back into the case. That's how you'd replace your battery on a key fob that looks like this. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.